that was fucking easy.
Oh my God. Woo, we did it! Nicely done, Millers. Give it up. Very good job. Here you go. Rose, yeah. David, there you go. We are all officially international drug smugglers. Add it to the resume. How about a little victory music, huh? Oh, no.
Don't change it. I love this song.
Me too. What? I even liked this song when it was popular.
Come on, listen up, David.
Waterfall. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to.
Don't do this.
I know that
This isn't even a good victory song. No, stop. You're not doing this. It's embarrassing.
you're moving too fast.
Ow.
Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not what God given me. Is it because my life in 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away, seldom praising for the sunny day. You claim the insane and nameless place in time for fall and prey to crime. I swear the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations in hopes of coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me, and don't go